Morning. A boy named Rahul is getting late for his college exam. He rushes into his room. Books, pens, chargers, everything is scattered everywhere. He starts searching randomly. He opens one drawer, closes it, looks under the bed, checks his bag, checks the table again, running in circles. 5 minutes later, he still cannot find his hall ticket. Suddenly, his mother walks into the room. She opens a single folder, taking out the ticket in 2 seconds. Rahul looks surprised. How did she find it so quickly? Better eyesight? No. Better luck? No. And in computer science, a better method is called an algorithm. Think about your daily life. Whenever you do something, you don't perform random actions. You follow a sequence of steps. Making tea, cooking noodles, using an ATM, or assembling furniture. Everything follows a series of steps. Those steps help you finish the task correctly. An algorithm is exactly that, a sequence of well-defined steps to solve a problem. Whenever we have a problem, we think of a method. That method becomes our algorithm. It is not a programming language. It is not a computer program. It is simply a plan. Imagine you're going to college. Google Maps gives you 3 routes. All 3 will reach the destination, but the times and distances are different. Different algorithms solve the same problem, but some do it much faster. Suppose a computer receives these random numbers. Its job is to arrange them.
There isn't only one way to sort them. There are many. Bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort. All of them produce the same final answer. But some finish much faster. Some use less memory. Some are suitable for very large data sets. Choosing the right algorithm makes a huge difference. Imagine searching for page 842 in a huge dictionary. Method 1. Start from page 1 and turn every page. This works, but it takes a long time. Method 2. Open the middle. Need higher? Open page 750. Need higher? Within seconds, you find page 842. Both find the page, but one is much smarter.
Notice something. 2 students get the correct math answer, but one took 5 minutes, the other took 30 seconds. We are not only interested in the answer.
Algorithms are everywhere. Google search, Instagram feeds, YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, and even your phone's face unlock. Every intelligent software depends on algorithms. Computers are incredibly fast, but they are not intelligent. They only follow instructions. If we give excellent instructions, they solve problems efficiently. We care about how fast and how much memory. This is why we study design and analysis. In upcoming videos, you'll learn how companies process billions of requests. Computers become powerful because they follow the right algorithm. Next, we'll learn the characteristics of a good algorithm. See you in the next lesson.